How? I share one extra is big in Jamaica. Get them new. We don't start yet. Come. Basuta.
Yeah, man, SR boss I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the
Wagwan people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jump in, may I beg everybody, like, share, subscribe on the video here. It does a lot for the content and it does a lot for the channel as well. Alright, my people, and you don't know what for big up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life. Alright, and you don't see what going on the screen here. Teejay himself still there Dubai, and he did his performance. I'm gonna share that with y'all, and you don't see the starting of the video and the title as well. Valiant himself, he was rolling with bbc1xtra, and it's SeaniB himself. All right, and there was a lot of other surprise artists that popped up, you understand, like Skeng passed through the place, Stark Ashley passed through the place, Lila IK was there as well, and it was just a mad vibe, my people. So I'm gonna get into that and show you what go on. But before I do that, I'm gonna make you check out a little snippet of what Teejay did in Dubai. I want to tell me if him shell the performance or what, my people. So come back.
When the yard for the pop people, so I get back up with the chorus. Hear that hero? Rising up the car. I'm the good year, give me that in your schema. And we go laugh with people. Rising up the car. Stop it, stop. Stop it. I know when I hear you play that. Tell your body exquisite. Love it when you're technique. Push it up in your belly like you're left with it. Yeah, my body, yeah, just a edge the clip. I say your pussy feel good, you say yes it is. You not give me infection to make me itch. Baby, yeah. Stimulate your body, fuck her, come down. She say push it in, no no. Someone here, back a spanning ground. She said, beg you please, do not come. If I give you the pussy, this is no one. When you bring your back, baby, you pass pro. Anytime we fuck, baby, you are. Wait. Say she can't bother, we love it, Say you never see choose this year, this choose her. Say she wanna fuck for you, make you feel how it feels. Baby, come put it on me. She said you pee and that she bring your pussy for me. Alright, watch out. You may sing for now. Watch out. Girl, you don't see your pussy good time. Come back, we fuck in the night. Go fuck under the moonlight. Turn up your roof light. Go in high fridge with some cool ice. Deal with make a kill like a 4-5. Then she look for me, just like a cool vibe. Me a stitch it, you a stitch it, and a crammy. Love for your pussy, wet up, me love your punani. Put me in your belly, and a ship it, and you a crammy. Alright then, expensive jazz, to slap your pan, your ass, you think I can massage your body, nah, no class. Body ya broke out, flight you now, come out, we a deal with your rod, like me, nah, no ass.
Yeah, that's a go on with the Teejay performance, you know. So you can definitely make me know how you think about the performance there. The acapella part did tough. It did alright to me. You understand? Let me know how you think about it. Him did look kinda shocked the first time when him see the people them. To me, you understand? Just to me that. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think about that little part of his performance that I brought forward a while ago, my people. Alright, and this I gotta take me over to the next update of my people, because we're still up on Teejay, him there at Dubai, and I don't know if it's a camel or they have a special name for them thing over Dubai, my people. You understand? But the man, he fell off. him drop off plain and straight. I'm gonna make him just check it out real quick and we're gonna come back.
All of you please stand at the side. Yeah, stop that please. Everybody stop. You follow and you take the video. Other people stop this.
Alright, that pan that. Alright, bring me over to the next update. But before, I mean, people, when you think about Dubai must be so amazing. Eh? Yeah, man. Them type of life there, get what I mean? But anyway, take over to the next update. I'm telling you, be a top people, be a top star. Skeng himself. Stark actually roll with SeaniB, bbc1xtra, my people. You understand? So you don't know. Them of them own a thing are going to expect an exciting video out from them shortly. You understand? Leela Ikea herself was there in studio and they were at the Ari J Studios, my people. You understand? So I'm gonna check out the little snippet with Valiant and SeaniB, the little sit down that they had, my people. So I don't know right here, so I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the day. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out, my people.
I say I want extra is big in Jamaica. Get them new. We don't start yet. Come. Basuta. Forward. How have you garnered all this support so quickly?
Yeah, I've been in music long time in SeaniB. You see me? No feel and try again. I never stop trying, you know. So I master certain things. I learn from certain mistakes what not to do and what's supposed to do, you know. Yeah. So certain things I'm not gonna talk the intentions of what to come and what I'm supposed to be, but enough for it, you know.
So have you seen your after what I witnessed?